I like AI. Seriously, I got nothing against it. I use it often, actually. But if you're making one of the biggest financial decisions of your life, there's something that AI simply cannot do. So before you ask ChatGPT or any AI model, what mortgage should you get? Watch this first, because it just may save you thousands of dollars and a whole lot of frustration. Hello, I'm Richard Sailing, a licensed loan officer. And artificial intelligence is incredible. I'm not going to deny it, and it's definitely come a very long way. So, you need a recipe? Ask AI. You want to make a song? Ask AI. You want to make a video that looks like a freaking blockbuster? Ask AI. Want FHA guidelines? Mm, Hopefully, it's accurate and up to date. And where people get into trouble is that they ask AI, can I qualify for a mortgage? And then they assume that the answer applies to them. And that's not how mortgages work, you know? So AI knows general rules and it's based on information that's already out there, you know? It's trained on general information. It doesn't know your income, your tax returns, your credit report, your assets, your employment history, your debt to income ratio, your documentation that verifies what you're putting into the system. And without those pieces, no one can accurately tell you which loan is best for you. And mortgages aren't a one size fits all. Two buyers, same income, same credit score, buying the same house, they could qualify for completely different loan programs and get a different rate. Why? Because one is self employed, one has a VA eligibility, one receives commission income, one owns rental property, and one is buying a condo. One is buying a manufactured home. And all of these details matter. So here's something that people don't realize: the guidelines themselves are only part of the equation. Lenders also have to document what's going on. We have documentation requirements, we have investor overlays, we have property restrictions, reserve requirements, program eligibility rules. And AI cannot verify your documents. AI can't issue your pre approval. AI can't clear underwriting conditions. And the biggest mistake buyers make is that they ask AI, can I buy a home with 5% down? And AI says yes. Technically, that may be true. But what if the property doesn't qualify? What if the loan amount exceeds program limits? What if the buyer needs reserves? Income cannot be documented. The HOA may not be eligible. And, you know, a whole host of issues that AI doesn't cover, because AI is great for generalities. And then suddenly your yes becomes it depends. The most frustrating thing that any of us as buyers can hear. And that's the most common phrase in mortgage lending. So I actually encourage my clients, yeah, use it. Seriously, ask questions like, what is mortgage insurance? How does escrow work? What is an FHA loan? What is debt to income ratio? AI is great at helping you understand concepts and generalities. And then bring those questions to your loan officer. And now we can apply those concepts to your specific situation. And that's where the real value begins. So think of AI like Google Maps. Maps can tell you the fastest route, but it doesn't know that the bridge may be closed, that your tire has a flat, or that your destination changed. Mortgage lending works very much the same way. General guidance gets you started, and personal guidance gets you home. So I think AI is one of the greatest tools we've ever had. But it's a tool, and you gotta use the tool correctly and input proper information, accurate information, up to date information. So the best results happen when you combine great technology with the experienced professional who understands your specific situation. So, do you have a mortgage question? Ask AI. Yeah. Then ask me, a live person, and we'll compare answers and make sure that you're making decisions based on your actual financial situation, not just general information. Now, if you enjoy this straightforward mortgage advice without the jargon, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, share my content. Let me know if you like it or tell me to kick rocks. I'm here for you. Have a great day.